Yes, student, today we will discuss the question related to positive, negative and zero work done. The question is like this. This is also given in your assignment. An object is thrown at certain angle to the ground, moves on the curved path and falls back to the ground again. The initial and final point lie on the same horizontal line. What is the work done due to force due to gravity? Now see here, I have made the graph here. This one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. The object is thrown on this line. The angle made is theta. The object, if you throw the object like this, it will move, make a parabola and projectile motion. It becomes a projectile motion. The object moves from here and it falls here. That means initial and final point lies on the same horizontal line. Now what is the displacement on y-axis? Initial and final points are on same horizontal line. So displacement on the y-axis is 0. If the displacement is 0, then all of you know that work done is equal to F dot S. S is 0, so work done is 0. I have written here, initial point and final point lie on the same horizontal line. So displacement on y-axis is 0, so work done is 0. Now we can solve this with another method also. All of you know that if suppose the mass of the object is m, then force due to gravity becomes m into g, that is weight. Now weight is always acting downward, it always acts downward. And you see the body moves from here to here. It has certain displacement on x-axis and weight is acting downward. So the angle between the weight and the displacement in this case is 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore work done is equal to 0. Second question is like this. A person is taking out a bucket of water from a well. I have divided it into two parts. One is the force due to weight of the bucket and work done. Okay. Now force due to weight of the bucket is work done due to the force or the weight of the bucket. That is acting, weight is acting downward and displacement is upward. Now the angle between the weight and displacement is 180 degree. So cos 180 is -1. So work done is negative. Or you can explain it simply that weight is acting downward and displacement is upward. Both are in opposite direction. So work done is negative. Now second case is work done due to force applied by the person. Here the person is taking out the bucket from the well and the force applied by the person is upward, and also the bucket is coming out from the well. The displacement is also upward. Both are acting in same direction. So work done is positive. Third question is, a coolie is taking a load and moves on a platform parallelly on this platform in this direction. The load, suppose the mass of the load is m, so you know that weight of the load will become mg, and I told that mg always acts downward, so it is downward. Coolie is moving in this direction on the platform, so displacement is here. Now what is the angle between the weight and the displacement? That is 90 degree. So weight is the force, so angle between the force and the displacement is 90 degree, and you know that cos 90 equal to 0. So work done is equal to 0. Okay, thank you.